Hi there. Hello, viewers. Hope you're well. Welcome to my channel, Gilbert's Travel Paradise. Gilbert here. I would like to make a disclaimer statement. So please, please pay attention to the statement that I'm going to upload on the video. And please read the statement. Yes, please read the statement as a reference to my future videos. It might help to explain some topics that might come into disrepute. So pay a lot of attention to my disclaimer statements. So in the future, if there is any video with some issues that may arise from the content, so you understand the statement that I put up, and hopefully that you understand what it meant. So please read statement carefully. Thank you. Awak dari mana? Indon dah. Oh bagus ah. Dia pandai kerja sini ya.
Labak dia. Tutup yun, takbo dito. Ipari ko. Tapos yung kaya ito tutup yun. Ano yun? Yan na, sana pusin sini.
Mm.
Tengok itu pintu mana.
The
Tao, kêu nghĩa là đi không? Ồ. Ôi trời nhỉ. Miêu, bình nha lượng sĩ mà miêu miêu hỏi xin. Ai tiểu ra bị cải thiêu yêu.
Thank you for watching my videos. I do hope you like the videos that I've just uploaded. And if you enjoy the video, and it would be nice if you share with your friends, and also don't forget to click the button for subscribe. This will allows you to be notified from the YouTube channel on my video, and any new videos that is uploaded, and the YouTube will send you a notification. Sorry, I started a bit there, so I apologize. So thank you again, and I would like to say goodbye for now, and see you on the next series of videos that I will make in the future. Bye now.